Welcome. Today, we'll explore the full journey of how crude oil becomes gasoline, from drilling, refining, blending, and all the way to gas stations.
All right, swing it left now.
Coming around.
Keep an eye on the line. We're clear on the east side, bring it down slowly.
Acknowledged. Keep an eye on the pressure. Watch the connection, bring it down slow. Clear on the cat. All right, make up the torque.
Look at the pressure differential here at 1.
It's within tolerance, but keep an eye on the choke actuator.
See the reading here. It's exactly where we want it.
Good, the choke compensated well for the pressure spike.
ESP levels are stable across the board.
Confirmed. Initiating pressure test sequence now.
Checks complete on my end. All parameters normal.
Confirmed. Data logged and verified.
Reading is clear on this flange.
Noted. Moving to the next section.
Pressure readings are fluctuating slightly at the intake valve.
Understood. I'll make the adjustment on the control panel.
All lines secured forward. Roger that. Proceed with arm connection, manifold 2. Pressure looks stable on manifold 3.
Roger, maintaining current flow rate.
The pressure on line 4 is holding steady.
Good, I'm updating the flow rate now.
I am closing the valve now. Sample secured.
Roger that. Data logged successfully.
Sample secured, valve closed. Confirmed. Locking the reading now. Confirmed, everything is stable. The radiant tube temperature here is slightly elevated.
Yes, but still within the operational limits.
Bring the side draw flow up slowly. Watch the purity trend on the third screen.
Looks good. Holding steady at the new set point.
I'm bumping the steam flow slightly.
Okay, the bottom temperature is reacting, looking stable now.
All parameters are stable. Differential pressure is nominal, circulation rate holding steady.
This bolt here is showing an inconsistent reading. Make a note of the torque value.
Confirmed. I'll double check the next one down.
Sample pulled.
Pressure holding steady at 200 psi. The acid strength is holding steady at 98%.
Good, the injection rates look stable.
Ratios on the blue and yellow streams are stable now.
Confirmed. The merge point looks clean. We can maintain this flow rate.
Ratios are stable across the board. Confirmed.
The merge looks perfect. Good job.
Check the reading on this gauge against the historical data.
It appears stable, within the acceptable range. The pressure on this one seems high. Yeah?
Yes, let's check the yellow line valve next.
Make sure you hear the click before you start pumping.
Got it. Thanks for showing me that.